In this video, I'm going to show you how to change tempo in Soundtrap. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your project, and then down here at the bottom, there's a bunch of different things, and here it says tempo. So click on that, and from here you have three options. You could either go and type it in yourself, for example, 120, and click on apply like that, and then you can do adjust over here or not, depending on whatever you want to do. Or you could also tap your tempo, or just basically go ahead and add it. So if I click on cancel, there we go. You can go ahead and click on this plus button to actually go up, or this minus button to actually go down, or you could just go and click over here to actually repeatedly set your tempo. So you can just go ahead and, for example, start clicking, and it's going to start recognizing your tempo. Okay, so something like this. Let's just say this is now my tempo. I can hit the apply button. You can adjust or not. I'm going to adjust right now, and it's going to say changing tempo. Usually this takes a few seconds depending on how much of the audio and stuff like that you have going on in here in your project. And then when there's done, there we go. As you can see, my tempo has been changed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.